Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Moneyverse. Welcome to this video. This is my trade for the week of 13 to 17. Okay, so currently this is for May 13. Okay, this was my trade on gold. I opted for buy. Okay, I'm buying gold. I know that the market will go up anytime from now. All right, so the market is moving up. This is 15 minutes time frame, by the way, and I used 0.1 lot size to buy for now. Okay, as you can see, I'm already in $37 profit. Let's see one. Now this is few minutes later. I closed the 0.1 lot size I bought, and I purchased again the 0.05. okay, so this is how far we have gone. Now some people will think, why did I close with 0.1 lot size and buy with 0.05? Yes, I did that to manage my risk, because if I continue to allow my greed to take over and I continue buying with 0.1, I may end up losing the profit again from the 0.1 lot size. Okay, so I don't want to do that, so I have to reduce my risk, if possible place more trades, because as you can see, the moving averages is still indicating we are in downtrend and I'm buying, so there is no confirmation from the moving average that the market is in an uptrend yet. Okay, this is just like a pullback, so I need to be very careful with my lot size when trading this way. So that's why. So I hope you learned something from it. Don't over risk any trade. Okay, so the market is pulling back up massively, so I'm in massive profit now. $93 profit. So I closed after $95 profit. So that is how my trade went. Subscribe for more, like this video and share.